Hi, my name's Anna. I'm a sophomore here at Loyola University Maryland. I live on the west side of campus in Campion Towers, and this is my room. This is my bedroom. We live in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. My roommate and I decorated our room with lights, and we added this star, and I put this wood piece up. And we added some curtains just to make it feel more like home. This is our kitchen. It's nice because you have a window, so you get a lot of natural light. And we have a stove and an oven. And we added our toaster oven and our microwave, and we have a Keurig over here, so it's easy to make food in the morning. This is our living room. We added the blankets to cover up the couches, and one of my roommates brought this chair, so it just adds some aesthetic to the room. It's a nice little cozy place.